Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today we are going to work in my catch-all planner, which is a DIY planner with an art cover, happy planner disc, and Scrapcraftastic inserts on the inside. I still haven't decorated anything. I'm just not into decorating the planner right now as far as the aesthetics of the actual planner. I'm more interested in decorating the weeks and months. For now, I do have an idea that I want to use to decorate this. I've been wanting to do a moon journal, and I have this new paper pad that I shared in my Wednesday's haul video, and I think because most of the patterns are larger than what I would need for my moon journal, that I can actually use them in here, and it has like a silver base, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'll probably do that in an upcoming live craft video over on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. But for this week, I'm going to be working on the Scrapcraftastic 2020 Weekly Planner Challenge. And this is week 5. The prompt is Sliver'd and Holo'd. So basically that's silver and or holographic. And that is for the week of January 27th through February 2nd. So, and the insert that I'm using is the insert for Patron Elites. It's a dated insert, it's a printable, and it's available only to Patron Elite members, and the information to my Patreon is in the description box below. So this is last week. It was fairly non-eventful. I still have a few days left in the week, but I'm going to go ahead and take these pages out. This is the last of the January insert. The February dated insert is already available to the Patron Elites, and actually March will be coming up soon. So again, if you are interested in having the dated printables, they're only available to patrons, and this is the only place that you will have access to dated inserts from Scrapcraftastic. Okay. So let's move on. I pulled out some things already. This is the washi tape that I pulled out. I think I may have used this washi tape once or twice since I got it. It is from, I think, Shine Studio, Paper Studio, something like that. One of those shops that one of those shops that got picked up by Michael's. I know it was Wonton and a Million, Shine Paper Studio. I don't know the names, but anyway, this is washi from that. And then I also pulled out my silver washis. I think these have hollow foil. I don't know, but I don't really have any holographic washi, so that's what I'm going to work with. Then I pulled out this little block sticker book, and it does have some holographic stuff in here, and I thought that those colors went well with the washis that I chose. And of course I got out colorful boxes, so I'm going to be using some silver boxes out of here, I think. And I got out this 5144 from Joanne. It had some silver stuff in here as well. So let's see what I can come up with. It has weather. I might do the weather for a change. Okay, so let's get started. I don't know what washi I want to use. I'm kind of putting off those. And I like these because they have like that rainbow look. So maybe I'll start with these and use this one up at the top, maybe. And I know we have a rainbow prompt coming up. So it might be a little weird to use rainbow now, but I don't know. I think I might have other rainbow type washi that I can use. And so I'm just gonna go for it with this for now. I can't remember, I don't think I did. I can't remember if I printed this on the laser or inkjet printer. I kind of considered foiling it with my hollow foil, but I won't do that. And I'm not sure. I guess I could have reprinted it, but it's cool. this week I'm going to go all the way across because I'm finding that I like that better. I have to say this washi is really nice to tear. So I'm gonna do like I did last week and divide the boxes. So and this is like a silver scallop foil washi from the Happy Planner. So for my doll, I know she doesn't really fit in with the look of this, but I just want to use her. This is the Bun Girl from JD in Brooklyn. So I'm just going to, I think, use her right here. These always get stuck on each other. Okay, so that is it for that. So I got Super Mom and I've got Mom. So let's see what I can find in here. When I was looking for silver or hollow foil stickers, I noticed that I went through almost all of my books. And most of them have rose gold, and the other remaining ones have the other ones have not rose gold, but they have regular gold. So it's not a lot to choose from, and I didn't know I had so many boxes in here. seems like I need a quote, but I'm gonna leave it as is for now, and I'll probably add to it through the week. Also, this anatomy of an inch is also a freebie on my website at scrapcraftastic.com. If you need help with measuring, it has all the information on there as fractions and as decimals. So, I mean, I think that's pretty okay. She's kind of big and out of place, but I think once I start filling in the week, it will balance out. So that's it for this week's catch-all plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!